Start.
See, I connected with the adapter. See, there is a line. There's the adapter, the line. Then I give there to connect with the machine. See, there is no connection between machine or
There is
here.
no light.
There's no light, but there's light only here. See,
I think the machine has damaged, or the
there's
machine
some
has
problem with the money.
with the machine.
See, the back side. See, there's the back side. The magnetic card reader and HICO. There's a model number LKE 266-26001 IC and product number 156008707. Manufacturing date November 17th 2015. See,
There is no response from your machine.
yeah, that's the problem. So I need to send this video. Please, thank you.
Thank you.